Namaste. Pranams to everyone. A warm welcome to this session of Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram chanting. Let us do the Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gate gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. Dhyanam. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिका अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्देम पद्मां वराङ्गी सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीं अरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुरां जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिका. श्रीमात्रे नमः. ॐ श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणीकनत्कोटीरमण्डिता अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजदलिकस्थलशोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषका वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाहचलन्मीनाभलोचना नवचम्पकपुष्पाभनासादण्डविराजिता ताराकान्तितिरस्कारिणासाभरणभासुरा कदम्बमञ्जरी क्लुप्ता मस्तकर्णपूरमनोहरा ताटङ्कयुगलीभूततपनोडुपमण्डला पद्मरागशिलादर्श परिभाविकपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकारद्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला कर्पूरवीटिकामोदसमाकर्षि Let us go to the 140th verse for revision. स्वतन्त्रा सर्वतन्त्रेशी दक्षिणामूर्तिरूपिणी सनकादिसमाराध्या शिवज्ञानप्रदायिनी चित्कलानन्दकलिका प्रेमरूपा प्रियङ्करी नामपारायणप्रीता नन्दिविद्यानटेश्वरी मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठाना मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी लास्यप्रिया लयकरी लज्जारम्भादिवन्दिता भवदा वसुधावृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा भाग्याब्धिचन्द्रिका भक्तचित्तकेकिघना घना रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारुकुठारिका महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदात्री सुभगा त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः वोजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुमप्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मन्दारकुसुमप्रिया वीराराध्या विराड्रूपा विरजा विश्वतोमुखी प्रत्यग्रूपा पराकाशा प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी मार्ताण्डभैरवाराध्या मन्त्रिणीन्यस्तराज्यधूः त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा सत्यज्ञानानन्दरूपा सामरस्य परायणा कपर्दिनी कलामाला कामधुक् कामरूपिणी 152nd verse, the new verse. Kalanidhihi. In Kalanidhihi we have Dha Mahaprana, Kavya Kala, Rasagnya, Rasashevadhihi. In Rasashevadhihi we have Dha as the Mahaprana. Let me spotlight this for you. So in the first verse, Dha is a Mahaprana in Kalanidhihi, and in the last word, Rasashevadhihi, Dha is again a Mahaprana, followed by a Visarga. Pushta, so in this, Shanmukha Sha, Puratana, Pujya, Pushkara, Pushkarekshana. So in Pushkara, Sha. Again in Pushkarekshana, Sha. And Pushkarekshana here. This is Ksha. Pushkarekshana. So if you notice, there is Pu. That is Hrasva Ukara here. Pu. Same in Puratana. But in Pujya, it is a Dirgha. Pujya. Pu is also a Dirgha. Kalanidhi.
Kalanidhi. Kalanidhi.
Kavyakala.
Kavyakala. Kavyakala.
Rasagnya.
Rasagnya. Rasagnya.
Rasashevadhihi.
Rasashevadhihi. Rasashevadhihi.
Kalanidhi. Kavyakala.
Kalanidhi. Kavyakala. Kalanidhi. Kavyakala.
Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi.
Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi. Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi.
Kalanidhi. Kavyakala. Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi.
Kalanidhi. Kavyakala. Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi. Kalanidhi. Kavyakala. Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi.
Pushta.
Pushta. Pushta.
Puratana.
Puratana. Puratana.
Pujya.
Pujya. Pujya.
Pushkara.
Pushkara. Pushkara.
Pushkarekshana.
Pushkarekshana. Pushkarekshana.
Pushta. Puratana. Pujya.
Pushta. Puratana. Pujya. Pushta. Puratana. Pujya.
Pushkara. Pushkarekshana.
Pushkara. Pushkarekshana. Pushkara. Pushkarekshana.
Pushta. Puratana. Pujya. Pushkara. Pushkarekshana.
Pushta. Puratana. Pujya. Pushkara. Pushkarekshana. Pushta. Puratana. Pujya. Pushkara. Pushkarekshana.
Kalanidhi. Kavyakala. Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi. Pushta. Puratana. Pujya. Pushkara. Pushkarekshana.
Kalanidhi. Kavyakala. Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi. Pushta. Puratana. Pujya. Pushkara. Pushkarekshana. Kalanidhi. Kavyakala. Rasagnya. Rasashevadhihi. Pushta. Puratana. Pujya. Pushkara. Pushkarekshana.
Tamam. So in this verse, we have 4 names in the first line and 5 names in the second line. And as I was pointing out in earlier classes. So there is a visarga and then we have ka. So we do not chant the complete visarga here. Kala nidih kavya kala. So half visarga and then ka. So totally there are 9 names in this verse. Let us move to the new one. Paranjyotihi, Paranjyotihi, Parandhama. So here we have visarga and pa. So even in this case, Paranjyotif Parandhama. So we don't chant the complete visarga here. And in Parandhama, we have dha as the Mahapranakshara. Paramanuhu Parat Para. In Paramanuhu, again after nu, there is the visarga followed by pa. So Paramanu Parat Para. We don't chant the complete visarga. Pashahasta Pashahantri Paramantra Vibhedini. In Vibhedini, bha is a Mahaprana. Paranjyotihi,
Paranjyotihi, Paranjyotihi,
Parandhama,
Parandhama, Parandhama,
Paramanuhu,
Paramanuhu, Paramanuhu,
Parat Para,
Parat Para, Parat Para,
Paranjyotif Parandhama,
Paranjyotif Parandhama, Paranjyotif Parandhama,
Paramanuh Parat Para,
Paramanuh Parat Para, Paramanuh Parat Para,
Paranjyotif Parandhama, Paramanuh Parat Para,
Paranjyotif Parandhama, Paramanuh Parat Para, Paranjyotif Parandhama, Paramanuh Parat Para,
Pashahasta,
Pashahasta, Pashahasta,
Pashahantri,
Pashahantri, Pashahantri,
Paramantra Vibhedini,
Paramantra Vibhedini, Paramantra Vibhedini,
Pashahasta, Pashahantri,
Pashahasta, Pashahantri, Pashahasta, Pashahantri,
Paramantra Vibhedini,
Paramantra Vibhedini, Paramantra Vibhedini,
Pashahasta, Pashahantri, Paramantra Vibhedini,
Pashahasta, Pashahantri, Paramantra Vibhedini, Pashahasta, Pashahantri, Paramantra Vibhedini,
Paranjyotif Parandhama, Paramanuh Parat Para, Pashahasta, Pashahantri, Paramantra Vibhedini,
Paranjyotif Parandhama, Paramanuh Parat Para, Pashahasta, परमन्त्रविभेदिनी परं ज्योतिः परं धाम परमाणुः परात्परा पाशहस्ता पाशहन्त्री परमन्त्रविभेदिनी.
So 4 names in the first line of this verse and 3 names in the second line of this verse. So 7 names totally. Let's move to the next one. Murta, 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 Nityatrupta. Murta, Murta, Nityatrupta, Munimanasa Hamsika, Satyavrata, Satyarupa, Sarvantaryamini Sati. So here we have Murta, Murta, Nityatrupta. So there are 2 names in this Murta, Murta and Amurta. And then we have Anityatrupta. So 3 names, Murta, Amurta, Anityatrupta. Then Munimanasa Hamsika is 1 name. Satyavrata, Satyarupa, Sarvantaryamini Sati. Murta, Murta.
Murta, 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 Murta.
Anityatrupta.
Anityatrupta, Anityatrupta.
Murta, Murta, Nityatrupta.
Murta, Murta, Nityatrupta. Murta, Murta, Nityatrupta.
Munimanasa Hamsika.
Munimanasa Hamsika. Munimanasa Hamsika.
Murta, Murta, Nityatrupta, Munimanasa Hamsika.
Murta, Murta, Nityatrupta, Munimanasa Hamsika. Murta, Murta, Nityatrupta, Munimanasa Hamsika.
Satyavrata.
Satyavrata, Satyavrata.
Satyarupa.
Satyarupa, Satyarupa.
Sarvantaryamini Sati.
Sarvantaryamini Sati. Sarvantaryamini Sati.
Satyavrata, Satyarupa.
Satyavrata, Satyarupa. Satyavrata, Satyarupa.
Sarvantaryamini Sati.
Sarvantaryamini Sati. Sarvantaryamini Sati.
Satyavrata, Satyarupa, Sarvantaryamini Sati.
Satyavrata, Satyarupa, Sarvantaryamini Sati. Satyavrata, Satyarupa, Sarvantaryamini Sati.
Murta, मूर्ता नित्यतृप्ता मुनिमानसहंसिका सत्यव्रता सत्यरूपा सर्वान्तर्यामिनी सती
मूर्ता मूर्ता नित्यतृप्ता मुनिमानसहंसिका सत्यव्रता सत्यरूपा सर्वान्तर्यामिनी सती मूर्ता मूर्ता नित्यतृप्ता मुनिमानसहंसिका सत्यव्रता सत्यरूपा सर्वान्तर्यामिनी सती.
Like I mentioned earlier, Murta, then Amurta and Anityatrupta. There are three names in this first padam. And then we have Muni Manasa Hamsika. So two names. Then in the second line, we have Satyavrata, Satyarupa, Sarbantar Yamini and Sati. Four names. So totally we have 4 plus 4, 8 names in this verse. So let's move to the next one. Brahmani, Brahmani, Brahma Janani, Bahurupa, Budharchita, Budharchita. Dha is a Mahaprana. Prasavitri, Prachandagnya, Pratishtha, Sha and Tha. Pratishtha, Prakatakrutihi. Brahmani,
Brahmani, Brahmani,
Brahma Janani,
Brahma Janani, Brahma Janani,
Bahurupa,
Bahurupa, Bahurupa,
Budharchita,
Budharchita, Budharchita,
Prasavitri,
Prasavitri, Prasavitri,
Prachandagnya,
Prachandagnya, Prachandagnya,
Pratishtha,
Pratishtha, Pratishtha,
Prakatakrutihi,
Prakatakritihi, Prakatakritihi,
Brahmani, Brahma Janani,
Brahmani, Brahma Janani, Brahmani, Brahma Janani,
Bahurupa, Budharchita,
Bahurupa, Budharchita, Bahurupa, Budharchita,
Brahmani, Brahma Janani, Bahurupa, Budharchita,
Brahmani, Brahma Janani, Bahurupa, Budharchita, Brahmani, Brahma Janani, Bahurupa, Budharchita,
Prasavitri, Prachandagnya,
Prasavitri, Prachandagnya, Prasavitri, प्रचण्डाज्ञा
प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः
प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः
प्रसवित्री प्रचण्डाज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः
प्रसवित्री प्रचण्डाज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः प्रसवित्री प्रचण्डाज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः
ब्रह्माणि ब्रह्मजननी बहुरूपा बुधार्चिता प्रसवित्री प्रचण्डाज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः
ब्रह्माणि ब्रह्मजननी बहुरूपा बुधार्चिता प्रसवित्री प्रचण्डाज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः ब्रह्माणि ब्रह्मजननी बहुरूपा बुधार्चिता प्रसवित्री प्रचण्डाज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः राम राम राम
Kshamyata. In this verse, we have Brahmani, one name. In Brahma Janani, there are two names, Brahma and Janani. So, three names. Then Bahurupa, fourth. Budharchita, fifth. So, five names. In the second line, Prasavitri, sixth name. In Prachandagnya, we have two names, Prachanda plus Agnya. Then we have Pratishtha and Prakatakrutihi, two names. So in this line, we have five names. And in the first line, we have five names. So we have 10 names in this verse. So we will stop here. And I request the participants, the attendees, to raise hands for practicing. Let me go back to 141st verse. Anita Nair Bhagini, I have unmuted you.
राम राम राम
Ram Ram Ram.
चित्कलानन्दकलिका प्रेमरूपा प्रियङ्करी नामपारायणप्रीता नन्दिविद्या नटेश्वरी
Tamam, Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद
Pandit Mahodaya. Pandit Mahodaya, I have unmuted you.
मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठाना मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी लास्य प्रियालयकरी लज्जारम्भादिवन्दिता
Dhanyavadaha. Raman Mahodaya. I have unmuted you.
भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला दौर्भाग्यतुलवातुला जरध्वान्तर विप्रभा
Jaradhvantara Viprabha.
जराध्वान्तर विप्रभा
Dhanyavadaha. Asha Parthasarathi.
नमस्ते मैम।
Namaste.
भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका भक्त चित्त केकि गणा गणा रोग पर्वत दंबोर्हि मृत्यु दारु कुटारिका।
Can I teach once? Will you chant after me?
ओके मैम।
भाग्याब्धिचन्द्रिका
भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका।
just observe, this is bha. Alpa prana is ba, mahaprana is bha. Okay, bhagyabdhi, again in dhi we have alpa prana ba and dha is a mahaprana. Bhagyabdhi chandrika.
भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका।
Bhakta chitta
भक्त चित्त
keki ghana ghana.
केकि गणा गणा।
So here gha is a mahaprana. Bhakta chitta keki ghana ghana.
भक्त चित्त केकि गणा गणा।
Roga parvata dambholir mrityu daru kutarika.
रोग पर्वत दंबोलिर मृत्यु दारु कुटारिका।
Dhanyavadaha.
ma'am.
Yes. So
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
observe the mahapranaksharas and try to put little more prana, the stress. Yes. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Madhubala Bhagini.
राम 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 मैम।
Ram Ram Ram.
महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चंडिका चंडमुंडासुरनिषूदिनी।
Dhanyavadaha. So you can take a pause if you want a little bit after Chandika.
ओके मैम,
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवाद।
Ramana KV Mahodaya.
राम 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 भगिनी।
Ram Ram Ram.
क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदात्रे सुभगा त्र्यंबका त्रिगुणात्मिका।
Uttamam. Just one small thing here. This should be Triambaka, should be heard clearly. Tra and ya both should be heard. Triambaka.
त्र्यंबका।
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Gopi Simhadri.
राम राम राम।
Ram Ram Ram.
स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता।
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Mala Dasgupta Bhagini. I've unmuted you.
नमस्कारं भगिनी।
Namaskaram.
दुराराधा दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुम प्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मंदार कुसुम प्रिया।
So in the first line, Duraradhya.
दुराराध्या
Dha is a mahaprana. Duraradhya.
दुराराध्या।
Dhya. Okay. Just observe that when you chant. Okay.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Namaskaram. Netravati yes.
नमस्ते मैडम।
Namaste.
वीराराध्या विराट रूपा विरजा विश्वतोमुखी प्रत्यग्रूपा पराकाशा प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी.
Can you chant the first line again, Bhagini? Just remember, dha is a Mahaprana in Veeraradhya, and Vishwato Mukhi kha is a Mahaprana. Okay, can you try now?
वीराराध्या विराट रूपा विरजा विश्वतोमुखी.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Chaya Vaidya.
मार्तण्डभैरवाराध्या मन्त्रिणीन्यस्तराज्यधूः त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा.
Bhagini, in the first line, first padam, Martanda Bhairavaaradhya. Can you repeat?
Martandabhairavaradhya.
Dhanyavadaha.
What was the mistake in that?
So in this, one is the Mahapranaksharas, and second is I couldn't hear the Dirgha in this case correctly. That is after Matanda Bhairava. I could not hear the Dirgha for Bhairavara. That is before Thya. Okay?
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Kirtana Ratnadhar. Bhagini, I've unmuted you. Kirtana. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Chitralega.
Ram.
Ram. Kirtana Bhagini, is it? Okay, you can chant this Satyagana.
Satyananda-rupa samarasya parayana kapartini kalamala kamadukkamarupini.
First line, first padam, Bhagini. Satyananda, you said. It is Satyananda. Continue.
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem.
Satyagnananda-rupa samarasya parayana kapartini kalamala kamadukkamarupini.
Uttamam, dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Chitralekha Bhagini, can you chant the next verse, please?
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Kala nidhi kavya kala rasajna rasasevatihi pushta puradhana puja pushkara pushkarekshana.
Chitralekha Bhagini. So here, since we have a visarga after dha and followed by ka, right? So as per the pronunciation rules, so we don't chant the complete visarga when it is followed by ka or kha or pa or pha. Okay. So in this case, since we have ka, kala nidhi kavya kala.
Kala nidhi kavya kala.
Dhanyavad. Continue. Complete it.
Rasajna rasasevadihi pushta puradana puja pushkara pushkarekshana.
Uttamam. In Puratana, that is ta. Maybe sometimes because of the regional influence, we tend to pronounce it slightly as, it is heard as da. It is ta. Okay. Puratana. Yeah.
Puratana. Okay.
Correct.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Iti.
Ram.
Ram.
Paranjyotif parandhama paramanuf paratpara pashahasta pashahantri paramantra vibhedi.
Last letter I couldn't hear. Can you chant from Paramantra again?
Paramantra vibhedini.
धन्यवादाः। सरिता गार्ग भगिनी।
मूर्ता मूर्ता नित्यतृप्ता मुनिमानसहंसिका सत्यव्रता सत्यरूपा सर्वान्तर्यामिनी सती.
Tamam. So when you are chanting Murta Murta Nityatrupta, just I'll chant once, you can listen. Murta Murta Nityatrupta Muni Manasahamsika. Second line. Satyavrata Satyarupa Sarvantaryamini Sati. Can you try?
Yeah, sure. Murta Murta Nitya.
Correct. Go ahead. I'm not able to hear you. Am I audible? Viba, am I audible? Okay. I could not hear you, Bhagini. Sarita Bhagini. I think we have lost her. Okay. Let me move to the next person. Lalita Muthuswamy. Bhagini, can you chant the same verse?
Yes, Namaste.
Namaste.
Murta Murta Nityatrupta Munimanashansika Satyavrata Satyarupa Sarvantaryamini Sati.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Dhanyawad.
Rajendra Gawale Mahodaya. I've unmuted you.
Okay, thank you. Brahm, what happened?
Brahmani, can you chant this?
Just a minute. Hello.
We are able to hear you. Can you chant?
Okay, thank you, madam.
No, you can go ahead. We are able to hear you. You can chant this verse.
Just madam, someone called me. That's why it disturbed.
Okay.
Brahmani Brahma Janani Bahurupa Budharchita Prasavitri Prachandajya Pratishtha Prakata Krutihi. Pratishtha Prakata Krutihi.
Dhanyavadaha.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Vijay Lakshmi Bhagini. Let me go back to, just give me 1 minute. Let me go back to
my Alan is a my number Alan.
Mahodaya, can you go on mute? Rajendra Gawale Mahodaya. Okay, anyway, I'm unmuted. Yeah. Let me go back to the previous class verses. Yeah. Can you try from Rajya Lakshmi? Vijay Lakshmi Bhagini.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Rajyalakshmi Koshanatha Chaturanga Baleshwari Samrajyadaini Satyasanda Sagaramekala.
So, Bhagini, in this case, there is a Visarga, right, after Lakshmi. So, that half Visarga should be heard, not complete, okay? Rajya Lakshmi Koshanatha. Can you repeat?
Rajyalakshmi Koshanatha Chaturanga Baleshwari Samrajyadaini Satyasandha Sagaramekala.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Geeta V. Geeta Bhagini. I've unmuted you. You can go. Yes.
दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी सर्वलोकवशङ्करी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी.
Uttamam. Bhagini, can you just chant this first padam once again? I could not hear it clearly.
दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
धन्यवादः मैम.
लास्यायम्.
Yes.
देशकाला.
देशकाला परिच्छिन्ना सर्वांगा सर्वमोहिनी सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी.
धन्यवादाः लास्या.
Thank you, ma'am.
लक्ष्मी. यस भगिनी.
राम राम राम.
राम राम राम.
सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्ता सदा शिवपतिव्रता संप्रदायेश्वरी साध्वी गुरुमण्डलरूपिणी.
साध्वी. ध महाप्राण.
साध्वी गुरुमण्डलरूपिणी.
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादाः.
Sarita Garg Bhagini, we lost you. We couldn't
Yeah,
hear you.
my connection was lost, I think.
No problem. Go ahead now. Kulottirna.
कुलोत्तीर्णा भगाराध्या माया मधुमतीमही गणाम्बा गुह्यकाराध्या कोमलांगी गुरुप्रिया.
Uttamam. Just the second line, second word. Ganamba guhyakaradhya. You could hear?
Ganamba guhyakaradhya.
Ha and okay. Ha and ya. Guhyaka.
Guhyaka.
No, not guhyaka. Ha should be also heard and ya also should.
Guhyaka. Guhyaka. Okay.
Very good.
Thank you.
You can chant the first this padam again. Ganamba.
Ganamba guhyakaradhya कोमलांगी गुरुप्रिया.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः. सत्यलक्ष्मी अक्षिंतला भगिनी.
आं भगिनि. स्वतन्त्रा सर्वतन्त्रेषि दक्षिणामूर्तिरूपिणी सनकादिसमाराध्या शिवज्ञानप्रदायिनी.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः भगिनी. पद्मा बालाजी. Can you try this?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, ma'am. चित्कलानन्दकलिका प्रेमरूपा प्रियङ्करी नाम पारायण प्रीता नन्दिविद्यानटेश्वरी.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
Thank you, ma'am.
ज्योति भगिनी.
Yes, which verse, Bhagini?
मिथ्या.
Mithya, okay. Ram Ram.
Mithya.
One minute. Others can. Yeah. Let me just mute everyone else.
Yeah,
you can go ahead.
That Gita is chanting, yeah, okay. Mithya jagadadisthana muktida muktirupini lasya priyalayakari लज्जारम्भादिवन्दिता.
तमाम. धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
Guruji, I wanted to ask you in the sloka 152, in the second line, there are only 4 names, but there are 5 words. So which are the, in the first line there are 4 names, but the second line, Pushta Puratana Pujya, which are the names, Bhagini?
1 second, let me get that, put that on the screen before I answer. 152nd verse, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Madam.
So first line is clear for you, right? 4
Yes.
names.
Yes.
Second line, Pushta, Puratana are 2 different names. Puja is the 3rd name. Pushkara is the 4th name. And Pushkarakshana is the 5th name. So these are the 5 names.
Oh, 5 names. Okay. Thank you, Bhagini.
No problem. Yeah. Whom was I supposed to call? Kamala V.
हाँ राम राम
Ram.
भवदावसुधा सुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला धौर्भाग्यस्थूलवातूला जराध्वान्तारविप्रभा.
So can you chant the second line again?
Yeah.
This is Alpa Pranada.
दौर्भाग्यथूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
So we will stop here. Let us do the Mangalam. We are almost reaching the, we have done till 155, right, today. So we have very few more verses to do. Another few classes we would be able to complete. So in the upcoming classes, I'll be having more of practice sessions, and of course new verses will be taught, but more practice session will be there. I just wanted to remind you all, after the course there will be an assessment. So this assessment is not in terms of we take it as an exam and get some marks and all that. Don't look at it from that aspect. Please consider this as an opportunity to memorize or read perfectly. There will be 2 types of assessments. One is like memorization, Smaranam. So we memorize the complete Lalita Sahasranama and take up the memory part of it, Smaranam assessment. The other is the Pathanam. So that is a Parayana assessment. That is, we look at the script and we chant the verses. So in both the cases, we look for correct pronunciation, raga, etc. In the memory case, you will not be seeing the script, you will be telling from your memory. So these are the 2 kinds of assessments. And like I was mentioning earlier, please look at it from the point of view of perfecting our learning and doing a Guru Samarpanam to the gurus who have passed on this powerful stotram, mantram to us. So please consider this as an opportunity to do that and prepare yourself. There is a lot of time. We will, once we finish the learning, we will have practice sessions, and also we will have some time before the assessment dates are announced. So I just wanted to give you all a heads up so you can start preparing, and whenever there is an opportunity to chant in the class, please make use of it and chant. So in case I've not called out any names, I'll call tomorrow. So tomorrow, when I open up for the attendee chanting, those of you who have got opportunity today, please do not raise the hands. Those who have not got the opportunity, please raise your hands tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha. So let me do the Mangalam and close the class. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Triambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram. Pranams to everyone.
Ram Baini.
Ram.
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 Ram.